And we are matching the V, what is it? V63. Let me double check that. V63. Yep. This is a really good old wiggle wart pattern. I've already base coated the lure. Two ways you can do this is base coat it white like I did here, and then add your bone color. And I'll show you the mix ratio that I use for that one. And I don't know if you can really tell the difference on camera between the white and the bone, but that's what we got. Or you can just base coat the entire lure in the bone color with your white, depending on what you had pattern wise underneath. Okay, so next up we're going to do our greenback. And we don't want to come all the way down, okay? We want to get a little bit around the eyes. And then down the back. And it's going to take 2 or 3 coats. So you just want to give it one good light coat. Really, I went 2 over the back, but do a little heat set. And then we'll come back. Darken that up. All right, now we need to hit the belly. You can tell this lure's been red before, so we've got our fluorescent orange. You got to build this. Do it go light. Oh, don't get on the sides. Stay on the belly. Most time I do this one in a, you know, the full lip. But this guy had some clear wiggle warts. I'm going to leave the bill clear, give it a little bit of a shorter profile. So anyway, coat number 3, usually what it takes is this fluorescent yellow. Oh, excuse me, fluorescent orange. Now we want to lay in our crawl pattern. We're going to use the same one as we did. We've done a lot of these. This is kind of the my popular thing, and I don't know if it's my popular thing, but the way I do it most generally, I'm going to crank my pressure down. Try 20. Make sure we're getting good spray. I like to fade that, overspray that backside just a little bit. Really dark color on here. I've showed this many times, so make sure we're still in camera here. Raise you up a little bit. I'm gonna, so that we can speed the process up a little bit, I'm gonna go back with some white. And that way, when we go back and we spray a red, it takes way less coats. Yeah, we're not going to have to hit it but maybe once or twice, and we're going to be good with our green. Now, we want to add a little black down the back. And I'm just going to come right down that. Come back. We're going to add our little belly segments on this one. Customer didn't really stipulate one way or the other, but we like it. Damn, come on. Look it over, looks good. Got the black, got the red eyes. Last thing, we got to add a little black spot in the eye, and we'll finish this one up. And I'll give you the rundown on the colors. That's not a big enough nail. We need the big one. All right, V63. I've done it before. It's kind of a remake of that. I've used different crawl stencils in order to do it, but this is really just the basics. When the color scheme, and it pretty much stays the same, obviously, because we are matching an old pre-wrap wiggle color. Thought I'd give you a look at it. Make sure you stick around to the end. Right after we close this video out, we're going to have some good high-def pictures of this particular lure in better light. And if you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Comment on the video. Let me know what you think of it. And we will see you guys next week.